Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to buy merch products from the Bitmoji application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the merch icon down below, which is the last option. As you can see, there are your Bitmojis put on particular products and several products, such as cups, travel mugs, or even hoodies. So if you are interested in purchasing any of these, you just simply need to tap on the relevant one. And now you are ready to select from these colors if you swipe to the right on the screen. So tap on the relevant one. Then you should change the Bitmoji on this t-shirt by tapping on the Me button. You can also connect contacts, thereby finding your friends, so that you can set up friendmojis and put that on a t-shirt or on other products. You can also change the Bitmoji selection by tapping on it, and you can change the Bitmoji on your t-shirt. If you are done with selecting all these things, you need to press the button continue down below. So now you will be directed to a page where you can finish this process of purchasing this merch product. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.